quench your thirst for blood. Conditioned things are impermanent and astray. Be a butcher, then be a Buddha. To retaliate in life, you must be. Now, introduced your karma in this way. Buddhahood. Enlightenment. Such enlightenment surely would grant you Buddhahood. Countless more. In the sixth part. Let go of the arms, they say. But can you let go your devotion to the idol? This means make a body that you find no escape in your spirit. An ultimate nirvana I shall grant you. Destined One. What from you? Thou shalt revere, or thou wilt never see cheer. Behold my Macaque horde, Falcon magnificent, magnificent! Receive me through sight and sound together. I one hand upon my knuckles. Who granted your destiny? Walk the path of Buddha. Come within, not without. I'm creating a new land of bliss! It's pain in my breath! Rebel, pain! Without hope, there is no redemption! No one to turn to. I persist in this path. Deceive me through sight and sound. I saw how this would end for you long ago. Keep fighting for others, and in time, you shall fall by their hand. I, Yellowbrow, fight solely for myself. Lost. I will not lose. If only I could wield that monkey's relic just once more.
This rogue stole my seed sack and fled here. With Wukong's relic, he made it a soul-snatching vessel. He also took my look and my name to trick his old foes into vengeance.
You potbelly! I should have figured out it was you!
Forgive my little deception.
Stolen once, I buy it. Stolen twice, I doubt it.
Your doubt is fair. I shouldn't have underestimated his nerve.